years ago, we began a journey through uncharted territory in terms of sustainability, as the first Goodwill in Canada to commit to excellence in such an impactful way, focusing on better tomorrows for Goodwillians, our community, and our planet. In 2017, we embraced innovation and boldly committed to the pursuit of a newer and larger logistics center of operations to support our growing social enterprise. This development was the beginnings of the amazing Edmonton Impact Centre, and as they say, the rest is history. This Centre of Innovation has provided new life for Goodwill, winning awards in multiple areas of sustainability, both provincially and nationally. Today, this need continues to grow as we continue to make a positive impact in our province, getting better and better every day in every possible way. Our plan was always to introduce one Impact Centre, then from lessons learned, and when the economics were right, we would unveil a second award-winning centre, creating a larger focus on our mission and making a positive impact on our environment and for the overall Goodwill enterprise. With the success in Edmonton, the City of Calgary has been patiently waiting to bring this Centre of Innovation home, and today we are proud to say that this time has come. At 9 a.m. on Saturday, April 15th, we open the doors to the public as they have the opportunity to shop at Goodwill's second ever outlet store in Western Canada, otherwise known as the Goodwill Bins. This store will sell items by the pound, giving items a second chance to find a new home at an affordable price. This facility will give us the opportunity to expand our mission and sustainability initiatives as we introduce new programs to the City of Calgary, including our Goodwill at Work program, where we create cleaning cloths, and so much more. Our Repair for Good program, where we upcycle furniture, and our expanded Career Connections portfolio. Today, the torch of inspiration passes from the amazing Edmonton Impact Centre to the amazing Calgary Impact Centre as we toast and salute excellence. Thank you to everyone involved for making this dream become a reality and making such a positive impact in the beautiful city of Calgary, a city known for being a progressive city built on innovation, hard work, and creating world-class results. Goodwill is proud to unveil our amazing Calgary Impact Centre as Goodwill plays our part for a brighter and better Calgary for future generations.